Hi YouTube, RV Jerry here. This morning I'm going to do a video on how to install these air vents. If I can get the picture of the air vent there. Okay, I want this air vent to go over my vent and still be able to open it. Has to go like that. It's got some brackets. I'm going to show you a quick way to do those brackets. When I'm done, it's going to look like that. And you don't have to worry about leaving your RV spot and your vent up there in the air flapping around. So let me show you and get set up here. Put the camera back on the tripod. There you go. This thing has brackets glued in a bag at the top. Okay, take them out. And you got 4 little brackets here. And you have a bag of bolts. A bag we don't need. Throw that away. We're going to lay these out. This cover is going to go this way. And I want you to take note of can you see? Okay, take note of these screws that are already in your cover. These screws right here, and how they would fit matched up here. This one's just a little off. So if you put these brackets, they go like that. I gotta go open that cover. I guess I don't have to open the cover. And the front one would go like this. But if you lined it up with that hole, the screw, then these would be off. You could get this one, but you couldn't catch this one. So you need to drill this bracket, drill this back way down here, and mount that right there. Now if you put that on there, there you go. I've got 2 holes. I've got a hole here and a hole here that I can put my bolts through. And I don't have to do any drilling through this way. So what I need is one of these gizmos. Keep looking in there, make sure you guys can see this. Okay, I need the putty away from this screw. And this one. This is an old motorhome. This is the 90. See gonna need a lot of work here. This is just one of them. Pull these 2 screws out. This bracket, you could already just put this bracket right back in. It's made for this hole here. So use it. Just like that. Okay, before we screw that down for good, we need this 1/4 inch. There we go. Now screw that down. There you have it. What you have is a head like that, and then it fits in this bracket. Then of course you got a nut and lock washer and go on top of that. Now like I said, this one up here, we need the drill. So we just need a hole right here. Just straight down from that hole. We've got a 1/8 inch there. That should be good enough. Now don't drill through your roof, but you can definitely use your corner or something there to make a hole. Alright. Yeah. Remember we needed, here's our 1/4 inch bit. It's our 1/4 inch bit. Get that screw out of the plate. Hope that's still in the frame there. It's hard to see up here. It's pretty bright. Now, I got those down. Do the other side. Put this right on there like that. Put your washer. Your lock washer. They gave you lock washers. Okay, let me do the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, got the other side brackets in. Got these flat washers, lock washer, and the bolt on, or the nut on. And I also use some Loctite. I'd use blue, but all I've got's red, so use red Loctite. Keep those from vibrating loose. I'm sure they're going to get a lot of vibration up here. Tighten this side down. Tighten the other side down. You're ready to go. No worry. These are my two in the rear. One over the bathroom and one over the back. And then I've got the one up front, which you've seen me just install. So next I'm going to have to show you how to put a nice finish on this rubber roof. Okay. RV Jerry, thanks for watching.